Good afternoon, my name is David Callery. I'm the program manager for police and emergency response vehicles for Chrysler Group, LLC, and Dodge Law Enforcement. Today what I'd like to talk about is the brand new, all new Dodge Durango Pursuit. We're very excited to be here in LA today at the LA County Sheriff's Department's testing, and what you see before me is a 2019 Dodge Durango. The Dodge Durango Pursuit is offered in an all-wheel drive application only, rear-wheel drive-based platform and an all-wheel drive, in both the 3.6-liter Pentastar V6 and, of course, the legendary 5.7-liter Hemi engine with a 2-speed transfer case to give you that true low range on the vehicle. We're excited about the vehicle. We're excited about the features with a heavy-duty brake system, enhanced suspension system. It's got a 120-inch wheelbase, which is longest in the segment for law enforcement, and we're pretty excited about it. And if you saw it out to the track today in the testing, this certainly, we believe, is a game changer, and we're glad we're in the SUV pursuit business. Let's talk about some of the cargo capacity on the vehicle. And really, if you look at the printed numbers, it doesn't give it true justice, because this was a 3-row vehicle, but we removed the 3rd row, and that gives you additional in-floor storage space. So the cubic feet on this vehicle is amazing with all the equipment, and law enforcement, and specifically those SUV customers, truly need that additional cargo capacity as far as the cargo, the ground clearance, the GVWR in the vehicle. You can really load this vehicle up, and we're pretty proud of all the additional features for the vehicle. Dodge Durango Pursuit is really based off our special service Durango that we've offered for many years. So with a lot of our aftermarket upfitters and manufacturers of that equipment, we are really ready to hit the marketplace, and anything you can think of as far as in the automotive law enforcement aftermarket equipment is available. This one behind me is fully upfitted with a prisoner partition, a plastic prisoner seat, a cargo partition. It's really ready for the road and ready to go out on patrol.